Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're pronouncing the name of a beautiful flower that is native to Australia and commonly found in gardens and along roadsides. Well, how do we say its name correctly? In British accent, we may pronounce it as bottle brush, bottle brush, bottle brush, bottle brush. While in American accent, we may pronounce it as bottle brush, bottle brush, bottle brush, bottle brush. You can check out other videos for more. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and share more words you'd like us to pronounce in the comments below. See you next time.